This video shows how to make a simple program using the graphing calculator. Let's say we want to find the slope given 2 points. The slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And that's the slope between 2 points, x1, y1, and x2, y2. Now the graphing calculator programming will not take subscripted variables like we've got here. It won't take an x1 and a y1. So what we'll need to do is substitute these with single letters like a, b, c, d. So our equation now becomes our slope will be equal to d minus b divided by c minus a. So this is the equation we'll be using to calculate the slope. Here's the program button on the calculator. And that's the first thing that we'll be accessing to make our program. So I hit the program key. And I want a new program, so I'm going to navigate to the new, press enter, and then give the program a name. Right now the alpha is locked, so all I need to do is to type in the letters for slope. S, and press enter. When we run this program, the first thing that we'll be entering in are the coordinates for our 2 points. So I'm going to press the program key, navigate to input output, and select number 2. We could use number 1. It's better to use number 2 because a prompt will actually ask you for the specific variable. It'll say A with a question mark versus just having a question mark. So I'm going to press enter and then type in the variables that I want to enter. So it's going to be A, comma. The comma is above the 7 key. And then press enter. That's the end of that line. The next thing we'll want to do is actually display the slope. So I'm going to press the program key, navigate to I/O. Number 3 is display, so I can hit the number 3. And then I'm going to group the numerator, so it's going to be D minus B, parentheses, divided by, also group the denominator. And that was C, which is our x2, minus A, which is our x1. And press enter. We've just made a simple program. To run the program, I'm going to go back to the home screen. I'll hit program, program key, then go to number 2, the slope program. Notice that EXEC is highlighted on the top line. That means we're going to execute or run this program. So I'll press enter, and I'll press enter again. And notice it shows an A with a question mark. So let's say that's our x1 value. Let's say that that's 2. And it asks for B with a question mark. And let's say that's negative 4. C, let's say that's negative 4. And D, I'm putting some negatives in here just so that we have a test to make sure that our program is good. That's going to be 6. And there's our answer. If we check that out, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and y2. So our slope should be equal to 6 minus negative 4 divided by negative 4 minus 2. That's equal to 10 divided by negative 6 which is exactly what we've got for an answer here. If we want to run the program again, we simply hit the Enter key and put some new values in. And get a new value for our slope. Once you start to do another problem, as soon as you start to do another problem, let's say 8 divided by 5, you're out of the program. And to run the program again, you have got to hit the program key. And then pick your program and execute it.